Good morning to honorable judges and my respected teacher and all present here. Today, this program has arranged through online. So I'm so excited for this competition. Today, I'll be giving on a small speech on the topic. Don't judge a book by its cover. First of all, I want to tell who originally said this English idiom. Don't judge a book by its cover. English novelist and poet George Eliot said this first. Okay, now let's go to the main point. Often in our society, we must have heard that don't judge a book by its cover. This phrase is self explanatory and has a deep meaning behind it. There's a uh, there is a bad habit in our society that when we see a handsome person with a good dress, good looking, and good fashion, then we think that he or she is a good hearted person and we give priority to them, but all time it's not true. Good fashion, good looking, and uh, good dress, it's never defined how he or she is. Actually, good personality, good character, and their skills, talent, their capability defines how she or he is. So, instead of judging someone just by their external appearance, just judge someone by their capability and their personality. This phrase, the great example of this phrase is our honorable scientist and our 11th president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So always remember one thing, that appearance never equals a person's worth. That's all. This is my brief speech on the topic. Thank you so much for listening me with a great patience. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
ভালো হয়েছে রুকমিনী, খুব ভালো হয়েছে। খুব সুন্দর প্রিপারেশন করেছো তুমি, ভালো লাগছে। এইভাবেই যদি সবাই এগিয়ে আসো, তোমরা এই যারা যারা স্পিচ শেয়ার করলো ঠিকঠাক করে, এইভাবেই তোমরা যদি প্রিপারেশন করো, ঠিকঠাক ভাবে কাজে লাগাও, তাহলেই তো ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট আসবে না? তাহলেই আমিও খুশি হব অনেক বেশি, তাই না? তো আমরা অ্যাজ আ টিচার তো এগুলোই এক্সপেক্ট করি, যে তুমি এইটুকু সিরিয়াস হও। পারফেকশন ঠিক আসবে, আস্তে আস্তে আসবে, কিন্তু সিরিয়াস হও। জার্নির শুরুটা একটু কষ্ট হয় সবারই, তাই না? কষ্ট করতে হবে, ঠিক কিনা? চলো, ভালো হয়েছে রুক্মিণী, এগিয়ে চলো।